W3 Total Catch plugin will improve your site SEO, core web vitals, and overall user experience by increasing your website performance and reducing the load time. This plugin uses catches, thereby creating a more seamless experience for site visitors. Is W3 Total Catch plugin free? It's both free and paid, but with free option you can also get enough benefits with it. Next question: how do I install W3 Total Catch plugin? Yes, we will go through the installation and optimization process one by one. Here on Page Speed Insight, I have already checked the page insight, I mean the speed. Here you can see the page speed on mobile and desktop before the plugin installation. Let me also show you on GT Metrics, another site to check your blog's site speed. And here the page details, fully loading time. Let's start now with the plugin installation. Go to plugin and click on add new. Just write W3 Total Catch. Check if this plugin is compatible with your WordPress version. If not, please do not install because it can create problems with your site. In case it does, then just uninstall the plugin and clear the catches. Your site will be normal. Usually this plugin is compatible. Let's activate the plugin now. Once that is done, find the plugin and click on Settings. You have to accept the terms and conditions or else you cannot install the plugin. So click on Accept. If you wish, you can click on this setup guide as well. Since we are doing the setup manually, just ignore that option. Now just click on Next, and here you can check the home page settings. This setting will measure the time it will take for the first byte which visitors can see. When you check the disk basic and data enhanced, after making the new settings, it will show you different results. Now, once that is done, click on Skip. Here you see the preview mode, which if you desire, you can use after every setup, but I will leave that option and proceed. Let's enable this option, which will reduce the response time. Keep the disk enhanced option. If you are seeing any other option as I can see here, do not try anything new. Just click on Save Settings and Purge Caches. Next, move down to Minify, very vital setting. This option will reduce the load time by decreasing the CSS and JS files. Click on Minify. Then click on I understand the risk. Rest, leave other settings and click on Save Settings and Purge Caches. Next, as you go down, you will see the opcode catch option. Just make sure it is enabled. Database catch. I will leave this option without enabling. Go down to object catch. Next, make sure this option is selected. This option reduces server load time. Very important option. Go further down, content delivery network. This option is only for paid users. If you wish to purchase, you can click on this link here. Go a little more to miscellaneous options. Click on Optimize Disk option and click on Save Settings. Let's go to the next section, that is Page Cache. Let's first clear the caches here. Click on Empty Caches. Now in General section, we will check this option. Don't cache pages for following users. And we will select the first 4 options. After, click on Save Settings. Now, click on the next section, that is Minify. Now here, go to HTML and XML setting and click on these options and Save Settings. The database caches and object caches we will not touch, leave that as it is. Here, click on Browser Cache. Enable the Set W3 Total Cache header option for identifying optimized files. Before that, also set expired headers. And then this option. The remaining options keep as it is and click on Save. Now, with all these settings, I will show you this additional option, which if you wish, you can also enable it. If you have an account, go directly to Cloudflare and enable the under attack mode. This once enabled, it will give you additional protection to your site. It will also help you to get complete visibility of traffic. Cloudflare will protect your site. Just keep this as temporary option. Once you see that your site is performing fast, you can disable this option. When this option is enabled, then what it does? Well, let me show you. Let me open my site. This is how your site is protected. Well, visit my site if you like to explore Goa. Now, we will check the difference on the site. Let's start fresh. Copy the site URL and paste here. Just give few moments to check. So in GT metrics, from D grade, it is come down straight away to B grade, which is fantastic. Let's go down below and check the full load time. The previous reading was 5.6 seconds and the new one is 4.2 seconds. Now we will check in the page speed inside. Let's check in a fresh page. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now the result. On mobile it is 71. Before it was just 41. Let's check the speed on the desktop. Now it is 84 and before it was just 63. Let's check the other factors. What improvement this plugin has done so far. Well, check on the mobile first one by one. First, contentful paint, 3.6 seconds. The old one and the new one is 2.8 seconds. Speed index, old one was 11.0 seconds and the new one is 6.0 seconds. Largest contentful paint, 3.6 seconds and the new one is 2.8 seconds. Time to interactive, the old one was 9.5 seconds and the new one is 6.9 seconds. Total blocking time, the old one was 1.600 milliseconds and the new one is 440 milliseconds. Now, the most important thing to remember, reduce initial server response time. The old one 3.28 seconds and the new one is 0.89 seconds. What more you can ask for from this free plugin? Let's also check on the mobile. Reduce initial server response time. 2.98 the old one and the new one is 0.89. Similarly, eliminate render blocking resources. The old one is 1.68 seconds and the new one is 1.55 seconds. Well, you can keep checking the differences in there by watching this video. So here I am saying Alvida. Thank you for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button to get more uploaded video notification instantly. Ciao, see ya and take care.